Ever accidentally deleted a file or made changes you immediately regretted in Dropbox? Don't panic. Dropbox has a powerful built-in feature that acts like a time machine for your files, letting you recover older versions with ease. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First, you'll need to access your Dropbox account through a web browser. Navigate to the file you want to restore a previous version of. Don't open the file itself just yet. With the file selected, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar appear with various options. In this sidebar, you'll find a section labeled Versions. Click on this section if it's not already expanded. Here, you'll see a chronological list of all the previous versions of your file. Each entry typically includes a date and time stamp. Now, find the specific version you want to bring back. Once you've located it, you'll see a Restore button next to that version. Go ahead and click it. Dropbox will often ask for confirmation to ensure you intend to restore this older version. Confirm your choice. And that's it. Your file is now reverted to that chosen previous version. This is incredibly handy if you've overwritten important data or need to go back to an exact state of a document. This feature also works for deleted files. If you accidentally delete something, you can often find its last version in the Deleted Files section and restore it there. So next time you're worried about losing work, remember Dropbox's version history, your ultimate safeguard for precious data.